So today I'm going to be doing my airbox filter, which is right here. I got the man filter from FCP Euro, basically because this is like, it's basically factory. Everyone always recommends using the man filters. And on top of that, if you get it from FCP Euro, you get a lifetime warranty, so you can just keep exchanging this over and over again. Pretty neat. But the first thing you're going to want to do is, so I'm on the driver's side of the car, you want to come over here and unclip this sensor. This is hard to do with one hand. There we go. So that's unclipped. The next thing you want to do is loosen this right here so that you can take it off. Alright, so once it starts moving around like that, you're pretty much good. You don't have to loosen it anymore. And the next thing you're going to want to do is loosen these. Just take these off. There's one on the other side. So that's good. And you want to take these two little bolts off. I believe they're 10 millimeters. So after you take these out, you gotta take this little thing out. So you want to use a little needle nose like this. And then you can just grab onto it, and the filter should just come right out. So here's the old one. And here's, once you get this thing off, you can basically take this whole thing out. Alright. So the next thing you want to do is take all these little T25s out. So once you have all those T25s out, this thing should just separate, and then the filter should just come right out. So here's the old one. You just put this right back on and screw all those T25s back in. So once you have all the T25s in there and it's tight, you want to put this back in. So under here, you want to make sure you get, I don't know if you can see this on camera, but there's like a little groove right there that you want to put this thing into. And then over here, you want to feel underneath and just kind of guide this back on there until it's all the way on. Alright, so I have to put the camera away because this took a little bit, but you want to make sure that this is slid up all the way up here. You don't want it like loose over here because then you're going to have problems. And after that, pretty simple. You're going to plug in the sensor, plug the sensor back in. So after you plug the sensor back in, you just want to tighten this so it's not moving around. And then just make sure to feel underneath so that you got the hose fully clamped on there and there's no like holes or gaps. It seems fine. And then all you gotta do is put these 10 mils back in here and you're done.